When a user messaged the bot for the first time, we asked him if he wants to subscribe to our weekly news digest. So let's make it possible that the digest really gets sent. Let's head to the broadcast section, add a recurring event, say we want it only to send on Fridays, and let's select 6:30 p.m. That's a nice time. We want the user to receive the broadcast when it's 6:30 for them and not for the bot's time zone. So let's leave this. Then we'll just choose plugin and add the digest. The digest plugin checks if the user is subscribed to a plugin like RSS. And if they are, the plugin sends all the news the user hasn't seen yet. So, for example, if the user read the RSS plugin on Thursdays and no new articles come in until Friday, he won't receive a digest that day because it would be redundant. Okay, let's customize this one a bit. And check out Rocket News. Awesome, that's basically it.